Well, good morning. Just come down to have a quick look, see what's going on so far on the Grand Union Canal in Loughborough. They have taken a load of stuff out. Look at that massive pile there, all that mud. So basically, all them bags there, all filled with rubbish. That's going to be lifted out, taken away somewhere. Down there where the metal pilings are, they're obviously new, they've been put in, and that's where they're going to redo the towpath. That's the original wall, the brickwork down there, and it looks like they're just going to gravel this whole area here. But look at the amount of mud and everything coming out of here. There is loads. Let's have a look at the other side. Basically the same on this side. Scraped a load out, and you can see it just down there. Probably get more of it from here. So then metal pilings are also going to stay in. That's all going to be filled in with concrete and the towpath reinstated. But the amount of stuff that's come out, oh, it's got to come out. I know when they said it was going to be about 8 weeks worth of work, but well, they're just going to build a wall up, but take a closer look at it. Man trying to put an umbrella up. So I think I mentioned before, these little yellow floats attached to them at the bottom are like 2 or 3 kilogram bags, and what they are doing is they're weighing down this orange sheeting, and they're going to keep it constantly pumping out because there's water coming in from that side and then out this side. I don't think that's a fault. I think that's because they want to just keep it level both sides to stop the pressure building up, I suppose. But if you want to get up here if you want to come along here, you're going to have to wait a bit because 15th of March, I think they said. And you've got to pass through here if you want to get to Trentlock or the other way to Leicester. Right, coming down this side now. Little Moor Lane, Bridge 30, is that 36? Let's pop the camera over this. Certainly a bit of mud to come out of there. That's a crane they've been using. There's Henry again. Yeah, so a few more weeks it should be done. I'll keep you updated. Well, thank you for watching, and see you again soon. Bye bye.